As we know, money is one of the most important aspects to earn a living. But managing money is more challenging than earning it. For earning a money, one can do a job, one can be an entrepreneur. Apart from this, one can be a smart investor. For investing a money, some of the trending investment options such as stock market, mutual funds, gold, real estate, etc. are available. But it's really a confusing task for a common man. But investment is a smart and effective way to earn as well as manage a money. For to reduce the complexity of a task, the system which studies the historical data along with the news data is needed. In this system addresses the same problem by recommending the various investment options such as stock market, mutual fund, gold, real estate in a real time. And also the prediction algorithm is used to predict the future returns.
So this is the main window of our system. User can click on the continue button to continue. We have two options, suggest me a plan and show me investment options. Let us first see suggest me a plan. Here user has got three parameters to put, that is the monthly income, the age and the occupation. Now let us say the monthly income is about 60,000 and the age is, let us say, 55 years, and let us say he's doing his own business, for example. So again we have divided this now using another strategy, which is 40 20 and 40 rule, because the user is elder. So we have considered up to 35 years as young and after 35 years as to be elder. So we have divided it as 40 20 and 40%. This is another popular rule, that is 40% for needs, 20% for wants and 40% for savings and investments. Now from this amount, that is 40% of this particular amount, like 60,000 in this case, the total amount that can be invested per month according to our recommendation is about 24,000. Now if this 24,000 is invested every month for a period of 2 years, 5 years and 10 years, so this is the total investment amount and the future value respectively. Again, now as the occupation is business, we have another thing, that is self-investment is the best investment, obviously. And as the person is into business, then he or she may invest his time in reading books about business that will help him or her grow the business. Some of the books that we have recommended are as shown here, and this will surely increase the chances of growing business, which will give the most returns. Now another option that we have here is check investment options. After clicking this button, user is brought here, that is stock market, mutual funds, gold investment and real estate. The same menu is displayed from here, that is show me investment options. We see the same menu. Now here we have these four investment options in our system: the stock market, mutual funds, gold investment and real estate. When the user clicks on stock market, he has got these options. So these are our recommendations, our predictions, check current market, start investing right away. Let us explore these one by one. When we click on our recommendations button, we will see something like this. Now these are our recommendations based on fuzzy logic. When I click on load real-time recommendations, then right now the data is being fetched from Yahoo Finance in real time. Now this data is of the most popular stocks in India. As you can see, the data is loaded and some of the calculations are done. So these are the ratings and these are the normalized values that we have calculated by using some logic. After that, we have our fuzzy output, that is one can strongly buy a stock or buy it. We have other options such as hold it for some time, if it is an underperforming stock, or it is better to sell the stock. Now these stocks are just the stock symbols, because in the international market stocks are operated by using the symbols. If the user wants to know more information about these symbols, what he or she can do is remember these stock symbols, like say for example we take LT.NS, that is Larsen and Toubro. So we can click this button, know more about a particular stock. Then here the user needs to enter LT.NS and click on search button. The user is now redirected to Yahoo Finance's that particular stock page, whatever he has entered. Here user can see the current price, how is the market going right now, and some other useful information. Now in case the user is not interested in searching for a particular stock, then he or she can click on see the overall market button. From here user can see the latest trends in the market in the Nifty 50, Sensex, BSE, NSE and other stuff. Let's get to the previous screen. Now this was about our recommendations. Now this is our predictions. When user clicks on this button, he is redirected to our Google Colab page. Here we have created a model using LSTM algorithm in machine learning, that is long short-term memory. For an example, we have considered Wipro.ns as the stock symbol, but user can enter any stock symbol that he wants. Here we have plotted the original statistics and have done the prediction for next 30 days what can be the stock value. Here we have the next 30 days prediction. So the blue line that you can see is the actual data set, and the orange line that you're seeing right now is the predicted values that our model has generated. Now this is a joint graph that has joined the actual values that were being downloaded, and also our predicted values are merged together and shown graphically. Now the user has got another option like check current market. If he clicks on this button, then he will be redirected to the same page that we have previously seen. Now there is a button called start investing. When the user clicks on this button, he has got two options: watch video tutorial or open a trading account. Let's click on open a trading account button, and here we have our angel broking page where user can enter his details to open and start trading right away. Now these options can be useful for the experienced user, but there can be times when the user is not an experienced one, but he has just started investing. So for such a particular user, we have these two options like know the basics of stock market and I'm afraid to invest, help me. So let's click on this button, that is know the basics of stock market. Now this is the page that we have created on our Google Drive, as you can see. Now this shows the basics of stock market and the frequently asked questions about the same, like what are shares, why do companies need them, what is SEBI, what, and other such questions like what is Nifty and Sensex, which is one of the important questions. And if the user is still having doubts, he can watch a quick video for better understanding, which we have linked here. We have another option, that is I am afraid to invest, help me. When the user clicks here, he is redirected to a page that we have created, and here user can see that eventually the market is always growing, so there is no need to afraid because the economy will grow, and other reasons are explained here, like why is stock market not that risky when one invests in the longer term. Well, that's all about the stock market investment module.
So now we are on our mutual funds investment window.
Here, user can see some of the options such as some popular mutual funds. If the user clicks on this option, some popular mutual funds, he will be directed to a document which we have made this on our Google Drive, as you can see. These are some of the most popular mutual funds of equity, multi-cap, large cap, small cap, hybrid, debt, etc. The data is taken from grow.in. Now we have our second option, that is start investing. If the user clicks here and start investing, then he will be redirected to this web page. Here he can start investing right away, open his account and start investing. Then for beginners, we have also put this option which is called know the basics of mutual funds. When the user clicks on this button, he is redirected to a page on our Google Drive which tells the basics of mutual funds, what is mutual funds, what is NAV, and other frequently asked questions about mutual funds. This also includes a link to a YouTube video which easily explains the basics of mutual funds. Then the last option here is why should I invest in mutual funds? After clicking on this, user is redirected again to a document which tells the user some of the prime reasons like why mutual funds can be preferred over stock market, what are the advantages of investing in mutual funds, and Other such questions are answered here. So, this is the mutual funds investment module.
This is gold investment model. Here, user can click load and generate result. Right now, the data is been downloaded in real time from Yahoo Finance. The data set is properly studied and properly analyzed. Also, we have plotted some of the graphs with the original values. When user click here, user gets to know the original values of the gold stock. Here we have considered the gold stock because rate of actual gold commodity and rates of gold stock are almost similar. We have considered the stock name gold ETF. After clicking on predicted value button, user can see the values that are the actual values and predicted values. Then we will have our cumulative result. Here what we have done is, if on day 2 the price of gold is greater than the day 1, that is, if the price of next day is greater than the previous day, then we have considered that the value as positive and we have plotted this graph. This means if user had invested 1 rupee in 2018 and today his return would have been about 1 rupee and 20 paisa, that is 20% profit. Then we have our recommendation button. When the user click on here, it sees the suggestions and the prediction. User comes to know all the price in few days or a week and the suggestion whether to buy or wait for some time. Then we'll have two more buttons, that is latest trend and to know more. If you click on the latest trend, then user will redirected to the web page, that is goldprice.org, and here user can see the real time gold price on the internet. There is also no more button. If user click here, then user will be redirected to the page where he can start investing and read info about gold investment in India. This is all about the gold investment model.
So, this is the real estate investment module. What we observed after studying various web pages and research papers is that most of the modules were based on the data set and accordingly some data analytics were applied on them to predict the prices in future. But as we know that the price of land are different for different regions. What I mean to say is the price in Nashik is not similar to the price in New Delhi, right? That's why what we have done is we are taking the previous data from user himself, so he has to type prices for 5 years, that is from 2016 to 2020. Like say if he types this sample data, for example, when user clicks on submit button and he sees the suggestions such as this land can give you profit in the longer run and this is good for long term investment and the graph is being plotted. If we click on this button, we can see the graph along with the predicted values. Here we have used linear regression, which is machine learning algorithm to predict the future prices up to 2030, and data is plotted graphically for a better visualization. Here we have another option where user can input the current price in lakhs and the type of zone. Now if a user doesn't know what this means, he can click on this button here. He can check what is the meaning of these zones like dark yellow, light yellow, red zone and green zone, and select accordingly. Like say here we are taking an example and user needs to type the year for which the price is to be predicted and he needs to click on estimate price button. He gets the estimated price between a certain range as shown here and also the suggestions based on the type of zone. Here is the another button, why should I invest? This will redirect you to a page which shows some of the prime reasons about why one should invest in real estate. So that's all about this module.
Well, I believe that this system covers most of the important investment options such as recommending user the investment plans based on their monthly income, age and occupation. Also some of the most common investment options such as stock market, mutual funds, gold and real estate are also covered in this system. This system can be really very useful for someone who is new to the investment and wants to learn some of the basic things and gain knowledge about the various investment options that are available today. I would like to thank to the organizers of this project competition. Thank you one and all.